I can't believe I painted these tables in 4 hours.
We're on a journey, looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will...
I was just a participant of DIY Bootcamp. It was a video bootcamp hosted by Debi, the queen of YouTube videos, at least in my world, she is. She knows all things about YouTube and she grew her business on YouTube alone, and she is so impressive. A whole bunch of us got together online and in person and participated. We had many challenges.
DIY paint is a clay-based chalk style paint. It's awesome. It will go on virtually anything. I like to wet really well my Klingon brushes before I start painting and really work that water in there. It helps the paint to spread beautifully.
Together, take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance.
Is it exactly how I would have done it if I had more time? No, but I think I did a really good job. What do you think?
Liquid patina can be used in several different ways. Here I'm going to apply it straight on using an artist brush. I'm going to work section by section, and then I'm going to take my decoupage paper that I previously cut into strips, and then I'm going to get it on. I'm going to use my saran wrap and bunch it up and use that to really get a smooth finish. Here I'm going to go ahead and cut where I scored it. And then I line it up, and again just work section by section, and then take your saran wrap and smooth out all of the wrinkles, making sure that it adheres very well. Then take your liquid patina and seal it.
I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like paint tutorials, thrift flips, and basic DIY tips and tricks. Please don't forget to like this video and comment below. Let me know what you think about these tables. I am so excited that I was able to participate in the DIY video bootcamp, and I hope that you'll join all of the other artists on their journey as well. There's a huge playlist. Don't forget to watch all of them and subscribe to their channels as well. If you want to try something like this using the products that I used, go ahead and visit my website. The link is in the description below.
Now we're going to apply our second coat. I like to spritz my piece with my fine mist sprayer before I apply my second coat. I go ahead and I use a little bit of faded burlap, which was my base coat. Here I'm putting on a little bit of tarnished pearl. And then I'm going to take some cake batter. And I'm going to blend it with the faded burlap, and I'm also going to apply prairie gray. It is a perfect grade color. In order to blend the paper with the paint, I either stippled or painted on the colors that I used on this piece. Now your paper is going to get wet. It's going to wrinkle up when you do this because you're re-wetting it. But it's okay, once it dries, it will iron back flat out. Every now and then step back and look at it, look at your composition, look at your colors, see what you need. If you put a little bit too much paint somewhere, grab a baby wipe. You can actually erase some of it or blend it in.
In my previous life, I did video editing, I did photography, I was the host, I actually worked in a church and I was the media and marketing director for 10 years. And I had some experience prior to that. And so I was the one that was going around videoing everybody, getting the B-roll, getting the main video footage, editing it all out, putting skits together, putting stuff together. And you know what? Sometimes you get in a rut and you have to do things differently. And you have to hear creative ideas from other people so that you can get out of that rut and do things a little bit different, a little bit better, see what you like, see what you don't like, try things out. And that's what this was for me. Plus, I wanted to learn more about building my YouTube channel because it matters to me. I want to create great content with great videos to help you create great projects.
I had just about 30 minutes to spare. I grabbed my IOD peacock stamp and I used those flourishes to just do a transition between the paper and the painted area just to create some interest, and I absolutely love it. What do you think?
I quit my full-time job during lockdown. Yes, I did. Because I wanted to pursue my business full-time. It's what gives me passion and joy, and it ignites my creativity. And so I just want to take it up a notch. I just want to do things better and more efficient, to do all of the things, because growing a business is not easy. Learning all the social media, the algorithms, and when to do this and how to do this, and YouTube, it's work. It really is. But I find great joy in learning and expanding and increasing my knowledge and being able to share that with my subscribers and my followers on Facebook.
I literally was down to the wire and all I had to do was seal my piece. The fastest way is to use a sponge, and so I grabbed my DIY Big Top and I started applying it. And I got it in all of the crevices, made sure everything was even. You never want to overbrush your top coat, so just get a good coat. And I did 2 coats of Big Top, and look at how she turned out.
I really hope that you enjoyed this video and you found it encouraging and inspiring. I want you to know that you can do anything that you set your mind to do. And I hope that you will try something that you've never tried before. Stretch yourself. If this video was an inspiration to you, if it encouraged you, please let me know. I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to ask your questions, or if there's something that you want me to do in the future, go ahead and let me know what that is. But you can check out all of my videos. I have several playlists on different products and different techniques for you to enjoy and to inspire you. I hope that you have an incredibly blessed day. Thank you so much for watching.